Hey, Jason K here. I am standing outside the garage of the G unit, which is the Summer Wave, 2,750 some odd square feet, 3 beds, 3 bath, all yours for a bargain 1.3 million. So this one I'm excited about because through the garage, and it's a 3-car garage. It's huge. So tell me, what would you put in this garage? Would it be the family truckster? Or maybe some motorcycles or bicycles? Nope, not going in that door. Let's check out what's behind this one. Actually, that's a really quiet garage door. Utilities and some storage. Okay, into the house now. You've got cubbies to throw your stuff and backpacks and coats. Elevator button. You have to press and hold. Oh, look, there's the elevator. It's actually a decent sized elevator, perfect for bringing all the groceries up the stairs. And in here we have the flex room, first floor bedroom, with a full bath. Hi. All right, a little too soon. What would you use this for? Would this be your office or guest room? There's the front door. This is the door. Literally no one will ever walk in. Okay, wall. That's nice. All right, heading up the stairs without falling over. Seriously. All right, here we are on the main floor. Beautiful window upstairs. Huge, spacious. There are no lights on right now, and this place is absolutely flooded with light. Love this. Nice, big kitchen. You've got the waterfall island with under-counter storage. High-end luxury appliances. I mean, this is a great space. Living room in the front with built-in gas fireplace and hookups for your TV above it with the heat break, which is great. Drop down for your computers and stuff to keep the island free. It is a new home, so typically there are no refrigerators or washer dryers. But this is an enormous kitchen. This is laid out for a chef. You've got another drop down nook here to keep the stuff away if you don't want it in the kitchen, and an enormous pantry. Oh my God, this thing is huge. You could feed the entire Partridge family for a month with food in there. Powder room off, which is nice, so you don't have any noises. And your dining room has this great mountain view. Oh my God, I love that view. The sun is just absolutely streaming in and making this place so bright right now. So tell me, put in the comments below, what do you think of the place? What do you think of that main floor? There's one last view before I go up the stairs. All right, up the stairs. I love the geometric pattern of the windows. Again, the light in this place is amazing. I don't have any lights on right now. That clear story window for the bed up there, fantastic. All right, check out this master walk-in closet. Sorry, primary walk-in closet. It's huge. All right, that's the word for today's video. Nice soaking tub, privacy for the water closet. Mountain views while soaking in the tub. Tell me, guys, would you really like that? Is that something you value? Put it down in the comments. Nice big shower to rinse off. 5-piece bathroom. I mean, that's kind of standard in this price range. And again, oh, that closet's amazing. All right, walking down the hallway now. You've got a Jack and Jill, hello, hall bath into one of the bedrooms. Yes, I'm running out of hands and can't handle the camera and the papers and everything. Again, clear story window above the bed, which is super nice. Decent sized walk-in closet. I mean, I generally don't see closets this big for secondary bedrooms. Really nice closet. And there's another view from the, oh, let's get some lights on. There's another view from inside coming from the bedroom. And we'll go back out now down the hall. Washer dryer with storage. Nice. I like how they have the stackable set up there for you. Going up to the top floor, only thing up here is the rooftop deck. I mean, this spot, amazing.
Oh, wow. Now that's a view. That's a view worth having, even with your Chipotle. Got gas hookup for your fire pit, grill setup. Oh yeah, a little bit of shade and I'm spending all day up here working. And a little bit of view of the lake. Again, I'm Jason Kay. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Montmere Estates. All the brand new condos, townhomes that these guys have built, really nicely done. Hope you're going to have a wonderful, let me rephrase that. I hope you're going to have the best life possible. Enjoy, take care. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much. As always, tell me what you think of this home in the comments below. You can give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'm always here to help you in your home search journey. And even if you're just unsure about what to do in order to get a home or what that process looks like, I can help. It may be more within your reach than you think. While you start your home buying journey, learn how we can help you save anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more. I'll go over all the programs that are available for you, whether it's a first-time buyer or the more advanced techniques that investors favor. I can show you how to literally save you thousands and thousands on your home purchase. Want to know more? Book time on my calendar on the link below, or give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. My name is Jason Kay, and I'm your local Boulder Valley realtor, and I can't wait to show you around. And don't forget to click that like button and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. And as always, live your best life.